with my teammate Harshit, we have built something we are really excited to share with you today. It's called Nemo AI. So, what does a Nemo AI do? In simple terms, it turns business requirements into code and pull requests automatically. That's right. A product owner gives us a Jira story, and Nemo builds the feature. It literally writes the code and raises the PR. This means developers can stop spending hours on boilerplate and instead focus on higher value work items like designing architecture or solving hard and complex problems. Nemo AI has two key use cases. The first one we are calling as the first draft. Here, Nemo acts like a software developer. It reads the Jira story, writes the code, and creates a pull request that a human developer can review and merge to the main branch. The second use case we are calling as the Nemo's unpaid intern. In this mode, Nemo acts like a data analyst. You upload a raw file, it gives you clean, professional looking reports, ready to present to the business stakeholders. Now let's dive into the live demo. I'm opening a Jira board where we have captured business requirements using stories. I'm using these two stories for the demo purpose, which are in to-do column. The first one, we have a Jira ticket to build a feature that lets user upload a CSV file and save it to the database. In the second one, we have asked Nemo to take a raw data file from a GitHub repo and generate a business-friendly visualization report based on these key few questions that we have asked as part of acceptance criteria. Now I'll move both of these stories to in progress. And boom, Nemo starts working. While Nemo gets to work, let me give you a sneak peek behind the scenes. This is our under the hood architecture, which is serverless and scalable. Moving a Jira story triggers a webhook that calls an AWS Lambda. Simple tasks stay inside the Lambda, but heavier ones goes to ECS Fargate. We then pull knowledge from external sources using MCP servers. We are using two MCP servers. First one is AWS Knowledge MCP server for AWS related information, and second one is Context 7 server for up-to-date library documentation. For analytics, we are using an agent code interpreter to run dynamic Python code. And with agent core observability, we trace everything end to end. We are also using multi-agent intelligence, and yes, here it is. Here we have a software agent that writes the code. We have a set of critique agent that review and gives feedback to the software agent. We then have a scoring agent that checks if the code actually meets the business requirements. And finally, the documentation agent to update PR, Confluence, and much more. All this happens without human involvement until the final review. Now I believe Nemo has done its magic. Let's go to the PR and see and review the PR. So this is our first PR. Let me open up the PR. You can see the changes made, the modified files, the new or modified functions. If I scroll down, I get an option to merge the pull request as well. But before I merge, let me open up the URL from readme file. Here you see there is no option as of now to upload a CSV file and save it to the database. But once I merge the PR, let me go back to the PR, scroll down. But once I merge the PR, confirm merge, I should be able to see a feature where I can upload a CSV file. Now we see an option to upload a CSV file. I will click on this link to open CSV upload interface. I will upload a file here. I already have a dummy file which I will upload. I will click on upload and preview. I see a preview, and if I'm satisfied with the preview, I will click on submit to system and upload successful. Now this was about our first Jira story where Nemo AI implemented a feature to successfully upload a CSV file to the database. Now I'll take you to the second Jira story or a second PR, which was about creating visualization report from the raw data. This is the PR documentation, but I'll take you straight to the visualization report. I go to files changed. Here we see report.pdf, which will show us our visualization report. Looks clean, right? And this was all auto-generated from raw data. No manual analysis. And that's Nemo AI, a tool that helps teams build faster, automate smarter, and deliver features and insights with less efforts. If you want to learn more, visit our website or check out the FAQ section. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to hear from you.